Hi guys! If you like traditional cabbage rolls, then you will love this quick and easy version of cabbage roll soup. It has all the same great flavors with way less work. It's warm, hearty, delicious, and even my kids who are picky with veggies love this soup. So let's get started. The ingredients we're going to be using today are 1 pound of lean ground beef, 1 onion diced, 3 garlic cloves minced, 2 8-ounce cans of tomato sauce, 4 cups of beef broth, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 carrots peeled and sliced, and 5 to 6 cups of chopped cabbage. Begin by heating oil in a pan over medium-high heat and brown ground beef. Season with salt and pepper. Cook beef until cooked through. This will take about 4 to 5 minutes. Remove, drain, and set aside. Add more oil to the pan and saute onions and garlic. Season with salt and pepper and cook until softened. This will take about 3 minutes. Return the beef back to the pan. Add beef broth and tomato sauce. Stir in sugar, carrots, and cabbage. This may look like a lot of cabbage at first, but it'll shrink down during the cooking process. Bring to a boil and season with salt and pepper. Cover and let simmer over medium-low for about 20 minutes. About midway through, give it a taste and season with salt and pepper as needed. "20 minutes has passed, and look how delicious and hearty this soup looks. For the full written recipe, I have everything written in the description below. I love how you get all the flavors of traditional cabbage rolls, but with way less work. Perfect for a weeknight meal. To serve, ladle some soup into a bowl and mix in a scoop of steamed rice. I can't wait to eat this. The beef and veggies are nice and tender, and that tomatoey beef broth is so warm and comforting. Yum. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. Feel free to take a look at my other recipes. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching and see you next time.